All right, we're out here at the shop today working on the tractor. Gonna do a little maintenance on it. I've got a bucket sitting back here and we're gonna drain the transmission and rear end out on there, and I got some more gear oil to go in. When I had the shifter out working on it, I looked in there and it don't look good, so figure I'll put some new fluid in there and it'll look not very good, but with new fluid. So we'll get that dirty plug out of there and see if it'll fill up this bucket. Hopefully it doesn't, or I'll have to find another bucket.
It's an artist. Oh, it's gross.
Somebody has filled it up with peanut butter. Well, seems like I was pretty low on fluid. This is supposed to hold 6 gallons of gear oil. There's about a gallon in the bucket and it's just barely trickling out. So probably why it made so much noise last time I drove the tractor, because I did drive this thing about 10 miles to get it over here. Maybe I should have changed this fluid before I drove it that far. I'm gonna keep letting it drain for a little while and then I'll start filling her back up. All right, got the case drained as much as I could. Looks like after all draining it had 1.5 gallons roughly in there. So it got a funnel here. I've got a 5-gallon bucket of 80-90 weight. I'm going to try to pour it in there without making a mess. We'll see how that goes. And then I got another gallon worth of quart jugs. So we'll start with the 5-gallon, see how that goes. Only spilled a little bit. That went better than expected. Now I'll get the other gallon put in there. Alright, got almost 6 gallons. I couldn't quite empty the bucket, but I figure 5.5, 5 3/4 is probably a lot better than the 1.5 gallons of watery oil that came out of it. So We'll put the plug back in here, 3/4 inch square. Now it's done. Alright, that wasn't the end of the video. I came out back here and I hooked up to this 5-foot brush hog. We're gonna see if I know how to use it. I need some sway control because it's really crooked right now, but we're gonna let it back down and I'm gonna go out here in this field and see if I can do anything. Brush hogged half of that back there, or almost half of it. Go back later and finish it, but that's probably going to do it for tractoring at the moment.